Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to show you the 5 best robot mops in 2023 that can make your life easier and your floors cleaner. We have researched and compared dozens of models based on their features, performance, design, and customer feedback. And before we begin, we want to remind you that as an Amazon associate we earn from qualifying purchases. This means that if you buy a product through our links in the description, we may get a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps us keep making more videos like this one. So thank you for your support. And now, let's check out the 5 best robot mops in 2023. Number 5. iRobot Braava Jet 240. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 is a small and compact robot that can mop and sweep hard floors like hardwood, tile, and stone. It has 3 cleaning modes: wet mopping, damp sweeping, and dry sweeping. It automatically selects the right mode based on the type of pad you attach to it. It also has a precision jet spray and a vibrating cleaning head that help loosen and remove dirt and stains. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 is easy to use. You just fill the water tank, attach a pad, and press the clean button. It will start cleaning in a systematic pattern, avoiding stairs and rugs with its cliff sensors. You can also create a virtual barrier to keep it from entering certain areas. When it's done, you can eject the pad with a simple button without touching the dirt. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 is great for small spaces like bathrooms and kitchens. It can clean up to 200 square feet per mode, depending on the floor type and condition. It has a replaceable battery that lasts for about 180 minutes of cleaning time. It's also very quiet, so you can run it while you're doing other things. The iRobot Braava Jet 240 is not perfect though. It does not have a remote control or a phone app, so you can't control it from afar or schedule it to run automatically. It also does not have a mop/vacuum hybrid function, so it won't clean carpets or pick up large debris. It may struggle with deep-set stains or very dirty floors, and you may need to refill the water tank and change the pad multiple times for larger areas. Overall, we think the iRobot Braava Jet 240 is a good robot mop for people who want a simple and effective way to keep their hard floors clean. It's small, quiet, and relatively affordable compared to other robot mops. It has multiple cleaning modes and features that make it versatile and convenient. It may not replace your manual mop completely, but it will definitely save you some time and effort. Number 4. Bissell SpinWave. This robot has a 2-tank cleaning system that lets you choose between vacuuming or mopping your floors. You can also use different cleaning solutions from Bissell to tackle different types of messes and odors. We love how it automatically avoids carpet when mopping, so we don't have to worry about it getting wet or damaged. The robot is Wi-Fi connected and can be controlled via the Bissell Connect app, which is very easy to use and lets you schedule cleaning times, check the status, and customize settings. The robot also has a structured navigation system that allows it to clean in an efficient pattern and cover most of the floor area. The robot has a lithium-ion battery that provides up to 130 minutes of runtime on hard floors in low mode and recharges in 4 to 5 hours. It is also very quiet and does not disturb us when it's cleaning. We are very impressed with the performance of this robot, especially when it comes to mopping. It does a great job of scrubbing away dirt and grime and leaving our floors clean and refreshed. It is also very easy to maintain and clean the mop pads. If you are looking for a robot that can both vacuum and mop your floors, we highly recommend the Bissell SpinWave. Number 3. ECOVACS DEEBOT X1. The DEEBOT X1 OMNI is not just a regular robot vacuum. It can also mop your floors with a rotating system that scrubs away stains and dirt. And the best part is, it can clean itself. That's right, the DEEBOT X1 OMNI comes with an all-in-one station that empties the dustbin, washes and dries the mop pads, and refills the water tank. You don't have to lift a finger. The DEEBOT X1 OMNI also has some smart features that make it stand out from the crowd. It has a built-in voice assistant that you can talk to and control with simple commands. It has a camera that you can use to monitor your home or your pets. It has a carpet sensor that automatically adjusts the suction power and lifts the mop pads when it detects carpet. And it has AI-powered obstacle avoidance that helps it navigate around your furniture and objects. The DEEBOT X1 OMNI is one of the most advanced and self-sufficient robot vacuums and mops we have ever seen. It can handle any type of floor and any level of dirt with ease. If you are looking for a robot that can take care of your cleaning needs without any hassle, you should definitely check out the DEEBOT X1 OMNI. Number 2. Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is not your ordinary robot vacuum. It comes with an amazing dock that can wash and refill the mop pad, empty the dustbin, and charge the robot. This means you don't have to worry about maintenance or cleaning the robot yourself. The robot itself is very smart and powerful. It has a LiDAR scanner and a camera that help it navigate around your home and avoid obstacles. It can recognize shoes, cables, scales, and other common objects and steer around them without getting stuck or tangled. It also has a carpet sensor and a mop lifting feature that automatically detect carpets and rugs and lift the mop pad to avoid wetting them. It also increases the suction power on carpets to remove more dust and hair. The mop pad uses sonic vibration technology to scrub your floors with up to 3,000 times per minute. You can adjust the water flow and the suction power according to your needs. You can also choose to vacuum only, mop only, or both at the same time. One of the coolest features of the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is the built-in camera that lets you monitor your home remotely through the app. You can see what the robot sees, take photos or videos, and talk to your pets or family members using the two-way audio feature. In conclusion, the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is one of the most advanced and convenient robot vacuums on the market. It can vacuum and mop your floors with ease and efficiency, while also taking care of itself and letting you keep an eye on your home. Number 1. iRobot Braava Jet M6. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a compact and sleek robot that has a precision jet spray and a vibrating cleaning head. It can tackle dirt, stains, and dust on different types of hard floors, such as tile, hardwood, stone, and vinyl. It also has smart mapping technology that allows it to learn the layout of your home and create a map that you can customize in the iRobot Home app. You can name different rooms, set boundaries, and choose which rooms to clean. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 is also compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. You can use voice commands to start, stop, or pause cleaning, or to send the robot to a specific room. And if you have a compatible Roomba model, such as the Roomba i7 or S9, you can link them together in the app and have them clean your floors one after the other. The iRobot Braava Jet M6 can recharge and resume cleaning. It automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low or when the cleaning is done, and then resumes where it left off. It also respects map boundaries and avoids carpets, rugs, and other areas that you don't want it to mop. In conclusion, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is a great robot mop that can make your life easier and your floors cleaner. It's quiet, small, thorough, and smart. If you're looking for a robot mop that can sweep and mop your floors until they shine, the iRobot Braava Jet M6 is definitely worth checking out. And that wraps up our review of the 5 best robot mops in 2023. We hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't miss out on our future videos by subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. We have a lot more tech and gadget reviews coming your way. And if you want to share your thoughts or questions about the robot mops we featured in this video, feel free to leave them below. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you for watching and catch you in the next one.